Best of luck to all of you. Better stand by now for a dispatch. Anytime now. Good luck on our winner take all. And the race is on. Ready and waiting, draws for your lead, moving up, Riddler, Chelsea, Australian Lady, moving up by the rail, then comes Little Gem running alongside the Red Flash, and moving up Jazzy to Shopty as they race towards the 600. Riddler in command, Australian Ladies by the rail, Chelsea trying to get closer on the outside, then moving up now to take for his Red Flash, routing towards the final corner. It's three runners partying it out for the lead. Chelsea, Australian Lady moving up by the rail. In between runners, Riddler, Red Flash is on the outside, and down the stretch they come. Australian Lady this time by about 3 lengths, running in second. Chelsea, Red Flash then moving up. Little Gem ready and waiting is by the rail, and finally Australian Lady ready and waiting. Little Gem close between Chelsea, and runner number 2, Portrait of My Love, for your Pentafecta.